Today we're going to make a do-it-yourself candy cane Christmas mouse.
For today's craft, all you need is some felt, a candy cane, googly eyes. If you have them, it's extra. You don't need to use them. A little bit of glue if you're using the googly eyes. Now, when I cut these out with felt, you might need a little help from someone because they are tricky to cut out. Felt is a trickier substance to work with, material to work with. But all it is looks like a kind of like a teardrop, right? Like a raindrop. So it is just a raindrop in one color, and then kind of like, I don't know what this looks like, kind of like a funny looking bow tie in the other. So it really is like a shape that goes around, comes in, comes back out, and back in again. And these are the two shapes that you need. I would suggest just taking any type of paper and just start by drawing the shape on the paper. So you would take your paper, draw the in, the out, back around and in again, and then you would put the paper over the felt and cut the felt and have someone help you with that. So that's what you have to do before you start this craft. And you can use any colors of felt. I just happen to be using two different colors. Sometimes I like to use the same color, but just so that you can see it better, I'm using two different colors. Once you have that done, at the tip of your raindrop piece of felt, you are going to need to go down about 2 finger spaces, so about 2 centimeters, and you fold it like this, and then you just make a little cut here and a little cut there. You will see that I have a little cut. So I'm going to open that up so that you can see. Do that one more time. So once you have it, you fold it over about 2 centimeters, which is about 2 fingers, and then you just put a little cut, which is only about 1 centimeter long. So this is 1 centimeter. You leave a finger space and then another centimeter, and that's what it looks like. I'll just hold that so you can see it better. Then what you do is you take this piece of felt, you just fold the rounded part, and it goes right in there and comes out the other side. Just gentle so that you don't rip the felt. And you do want it to see how it's kind of not super flat. I can move it a little bit, and that's exactly what you want. That's what it looks like. Kind of have to get your fingers in there, and you want your candy cane. So see how this blue goes over top, and this is the green. This is the second piece, the ears. You're going to go in behind those ears, and if you are gentle, it will come out the other side. Okay, that makes sense. Oh, I just put it in the wrong way. Sorry. No. Go out the other side. So that's the tip. You want to go here. So this is a little bum of your mouse. And then you go underneath and it comes out. Don't push it all the way through. You just want it like that. Then when you flip it over, you just turn the candy cane so that you can see this is the little, get it? The little tail. And this is your little mouse. And then if you want to put little eyes on, you just glue the eyes on. And then you can make them in whatever colors you would like. They're super cute. You give them as a little gift, hang them up, and you have your little candy cane felt mouse. Look at that little guy. He's so cute. Be cute in Christmas colors. And there he is. I hope you liked this craft. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for joining me on Craft Club for Kids. Remember, be creative and have fun.